Here we come to the elevator at the Lineberger Research Cancer Center at University of North Carolina, Chapel Hill, North Carolina. This one's got the Southern Elevator logo on the call station. Nice. Oh, I love the relays. B. Guide rail needs a bit of greasing. This is bottom drive. Is this the right floor that we're on? Oh, yep. This is the terminal floor. Yeah, they used to, it looks like, they used to like decide to put more floors, but then they ended up not having enough funds to do so. This is interesting. It's got a disappearing indicator. I've never seen that before. This is awesome. You're coming down?
Yeah.
You're a floor? Have a great day. Wow. $1983. Oh, I guess we're not going anywhere. Okay, I just spoke too soon. Yeah, this thing is getting kind of busy. This is an epic find, I will say that. Your floor, sir?
First, please. Thank you, sir. Have a good weekend, sir.
Thanks. I kind of want to get a listen to the generator sounding. Listen to the clicking behind the COP.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you doing?
Good.
Your floor?
One. Are you taking a video?
I'm mainly recording the elevator.
Good night.
You too, thanks. We're gonna go ahead and get off because this thing is kind of busy. But, anyways, that was worth a find. All right, there it goes, and that's it.